This is Chris from DataRobot, and I'm excited to demo our new scoring code and agent integration, available in the upcoming DataRobot 6.3 release. This demo also highlights some of our new prediction environments feature. Scoring code allows users to export DataRobot-generated models as Java packages for usage outside of the platform. This is extremely useful in situations where extremely low latency scoring is required, or there is a need to integrate models into systems that cannot necessarily communicate with the DataRobot API. In this release, we have made adding MLOps monitoring while using this scoring code more straightforward and seamless. We will start with defining a prediction environment. Prediction environments increase visibility into all the platforms where your organization has models running and being monitored by DataRobot MLOps. By default, DataRobot is equipped with its own hosted prediction environments, also known as DataRobot prediction servers. In 6.3, users can also define prediction environments that describe other platforms where their organization is deploying models. This allows DataRobot to accurately represent these deployments and provide a centralized location for monitoring information, which is being passed back via the monitoring agent. Additionally, when a user deploys a DataRobot AutoML or Auto Time Series model to these remote deployments, DataRobot MLOps now provides easy access to artifacts and instructions for running these models in the remote environment. I plan on deploying my scoring code into AWS Lambda, so I will now create a representative prediction environment. Now with this created, let's go deploy the model. In the deployment screen, I can now see prediction environments. I'm going to choose the one I just created, AWS Lambda. Once deployed, I now have a portable prediction tab within my deployment. This gives me access to both the model package and scoring code, both with monitoring, depending on how I want to deploy my model externally. I'm going to download scoring code, but downloading a model package and using the portable prediction server is covered in another video. Now that my scoring code is downloaded, I can test it out locally to confirm monitoring is working. I'm going to test this locally on my machine. I've prepared a folder with the downloaded scoring code, as well as the data I would like to score. I'm going to hop back over to the application and grab this example snippet and use that for the quick test. To make it a little bit easier, I've just modified this snippet with all the configuration it needs and put it into a little shell script. Now when I kick that off, I can see it's begun scoring, and when that is complete, the agent is going to run and process the metrics for reporting back in MLOps. Now that that's complete, I'll tab over back to my application, and I see with just a few seconds, my service health and drift are already populating. Thank you for listening.